Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the final topics of similarity. The first thing we are completing is similar triangles. In the last session, we have already studied about the different topics about similarity. Now we are going to talk about few conditions of similarity. Similar triangles. So what is the condition? When the ratio of three sides are constant and equal, we can say triangles are similar. Here we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If the ratio of AB to PQ, BC to PR, BC to QR and AC to PR is same, that means they are equal and constant, then we can say triangle ABC is similar. The second condition we are going to talk about is triangle has three sides and three angles. That means if we take any triangle, triangle has three sides, 1, 2, 3 and three angles, 1, 2, 3. So for triangles to be similar, these conditions need to be satisfied. So the first test of similarity of triangles is AAA test, AAA test, angle, angle, angle. So what is that condition? The condition says that when the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, that means similar, we say triangles are similar. But as everyone knows that sum of all the angles of triangles are constant, which is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, if we prove any two angles of the triangle equal, we can say the third angle is also equal. So what we can say, similarity test, AAA test can also be proved as AA test. So here we have triangle ABC and PQR. We say angle A is equal to angle P, similar. Angle B is equal to angle Q, similar. Angle C is equal to angle R, similar. That means we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA test. We can say AAA test or AA test. Please note that. Next part. The second condition is SAS test, side angle side. Two angles can be similar when the corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same proportion and angle between them are congruent. That means side angle side. Please note that side angle side. That means two sides and between them the angle formed should be equal. Very important. Between two sides, corresponding angle should be equal. We cannot say this angle A is same to angle P and AB and BC are in the same proportion, because it will not be SAS test. So what we will say, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR in the same ratio, and between these two sides we have angle B and angle Q which is similar. So we can say triangle ABC is equal to similar to triangle PQR by SAS test. What is that? Side angle side. And the last one, the test which we are going to learn in this 10th standard is SSS test, side side side. So what SSS test means? Two triangles can be similar when the ratio of all the three sides of the two corresponding triangles are equal. That means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. These triangles are similar by SSS test. We have to learn few more properties of similar triangles. The first property is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC reflexivity. That means the same triangle is similar to same triangle. It is reflexivity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then triangle DEF is similar to ABC. That is called as symmetry. That means one triangle is similar to other. That means other triangle is also similar to first triangle. Hence it is symmetry. And the last one is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI. Then we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. It is called as transitivity. That means one triangle is similar to second triangle is similar to third. That means first triangle is similar to third. It is called as transitivity test. Now we are going to start with the last part, and the last part says theorem of areas of similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, note that if two triangles are similar, then the square of their areas, square of their sides are in the same proportion. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. What is that? Square of their corresponding sides. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We know angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. B, Q, C, R. Then we can say triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, ABC upon PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, or BC square upon QR square, or AC square upon PR square, the ratio of their corresponding sides. If square is not given, then the triangles are similar. Square for areas. Now I am going to give you, I have already given exercise 1.2 as a homework. I think you people are not interacting, that means you don't have any problem. 1.3 and 1.4 exercise I am giving you as a homework. Do at home. Tomorrow inshallah we are going to start with the first chapter of geography. Thank you. Do the homework 1.3 and 1.4. If you are having any problem,